to show you how to quickly and easily rip rows out of machine knitting. And actually this is so much faster than doing the same operation in hand knitting. So we're really excited to show it to you. Unfortunately here I was doing a two-color mosaic and I forgot to turn the tuck button on. So all I've got are stripes instead of a mosaic. So that's where I want to rip this out. So the first step here, if we look, is I've already brought the needles to hold position here. And one of the secrets of fast knitting is this, your stopper device. And what it is two pieces of metal held together by screws. And the reason for this here is so that you can adjust the distance, because you want it to hold these needles into hold position, and it fastens it to the gate pegs here. So we'll show you. You just put this out here. As you can see, the stopper actually holds these needles equidistant apart, which again makes it much faster to rip out than it would if you didn't use the stopper. So you are going to need different size stoppers for different size machines. Now once you do this, you also want to make sure that the stitches are in the needles, in the hooks here, and that all the latches are open. So here I'm going to start ripping out this row, and all you have to do here is really pull the thread, and then they're just going to rip right out. And as you can see, the previous row is going to jump back onto the needles like this. So if you pull it in this direction here, and then lift up, that's all you have to do. Now here's another trick that I learned from a video, is that you can actually undo 2 rows at a time. And the way that you do this is, on this side, you would carefully undo the end stitch here. Okay, this will leave you with a loop. And then you want to pull on this loop here and then lift. And I think you need to do a lot of practice on this to make it work very well. But if you pull on it, then you can get 2 rows at a time. We'll try a little bit more over here. What you really kind of want to do is get the top row going and have the bottom row follow. And that's where, again, I think you're going to need a lot of practice to really get it working efficiently. But if you practice, and unfortunately many knitters get the opportunity to practice a lot, you can get good and quick about doing this. Some days I do it as 2 rows at a time because with that yarn it's working rather well, and some days I just give up and do it 1 row at a time. Here again, you're going to want to pull in this direction and then up. So you want to pull it this way and up. So we're going to pull it this way and then lift up.